Ayan. Hello. Sana nagre-record yung mic, no? Kasi kung hindi, di nyo maririnig yung audio. Okay. So, move on tayo sa linear motion, no? Sa kinematics. So, kanina, discuss natin, tsaka sa previous lessons, na-discuss natin yung sa, mga simple formulas lang. Yung definition ng mga bawat term, ganun, no? So, move on tayo sa kinematics equations. Sa kinematic equations, merong 4 na basic formula dyan, no? Pero, di mo yun kasi, summarization sila ng formulas, tsaka yung relationship ng formulas, no? So, meron tayo ditong, 14 questions. Subukan natin lahat sagutan na. Pero, lista muna natin kung ano ba yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung 4 na formula. Sana ma-memorize nyo. Kasi ako, usually, memorize ko naman. V. Try natin. So, it's V is equal to VO or VI plus AT X. This is VF, no? X is equal to XO plus VOT plus AT squared. Tapos yung V squared is equal to VO squared plus 2A X minus XO. Tsaka X is equal to XO plus 1/2 VO plus V all over T. Yan. Okay. So, yung translation yan, no? Sa mga hindi nakakalam sa X, ganun. Pwede natin translate to sa mas madali, no? Naman. So, copyin lang natin habang nini-discuss ko yung formula. So, that's VF or final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration and time. Tapos, X that is equal to displacement or distance is equal to initial distance plus VO, which is anong tawag dito? Initial velocity plus acceleration tapos time squared. Okay? Tapos meron man dito V or VF na final velocity is equal to final velocity squared is equal to VO or initial velocity squared plus 2A over distance initial minus distance final. Distance final minus distance initial. Tapos we also have distance is equal to ano ba to? Hindi. Mali. Hindi distance yan. That is X. Bali, final distance. Final distance is equal to initial distance plus 1/2 ng velocity ng dalawa. Velocity initial plus velocity final multiplied by T. No? Yan yung basic formulas. Okay? So, meron pa ding iba formula actually, no? Merong mas madali. Or pwede rin yan. Pwede rin may mas madali pa dyan. Pero usually, yun lang kasi yan, no? Yung 1/2. So, yung 1/2 natin. 1/2 U plus V T. Ito. Gamit na gamit yan. Tapos 2AS, no? Yan lang din naman kasi yun, no? Displacement 2AS. Or may simplified version pa yan eh. V is equal to velocity initial plus AT squared. 80 lang, no? Wala to squared. Tapos, pwede rin distance is equal to velocity initial plus 1/2 AT squared. And then, pwede rin distance is equal to VOT to, no? VOT. 1/2 ng U plus V plus initial. Yung U, this is initial, no? Kasi ito final velocity, initial velocity, final velocity. Then we have our v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. No? So yan, madali lang yan. No? Hopefully, maintindihan natin. Yan yung basic formulas. No? So kung may basic formulas tayo, try natin yung ating mga problem. No? So for our first problem, an airplane accelerates down a runway at 3.20 meter per second squared, 32.8 seconds until finally lifts off at the ground. Determine the distance traveled before takeoff. So let us first list down our given. Meron tayong airplane na nag-lift off, no? So meaning, kailangan bubuelo muna siya. So nung bumuelo siya, nag-accelerate to siya for 3.20 meter per second squared ng 32.8 meters. Determine the distance traveled. So, sabi niya, siyempre mag-accelerate yun. So, saan galing siya? VO natin. Nag-start yun at a stop eh. Kasi bago ka mag-accelerate, di ba? Imagine mo, yung tayong airplane. Bago yan umandar, siyempre naka-stop yan. So, 0 yan. So, our initial is 0. Tapos yung VF natin, that is missing and also what is required. Ang hinahanap natin is our required, which is our distance, no? Or displacement. So, ano ang pwede nating equation dyan? Or our solution or our equation. So, meron tayong 5 kanina, no? So, ang hinahanap natin dito, yung distance. So, hanap tayo ng distance ito. Pwede itong distance is equal to VOT. Pwede yan, no? Ilagay natin. Distance is equal to VOT plus 1/2 AT squared, no? Since meron tayong VO, which is 0, meron tayong time, meron tayong acceleration. So, basic na lang. Ano na lang natin, substitute. Distance is equal to VO 0 multiplied by 32.8 seconds. Pero 0 yan, so cancel lang to. Kasi anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So we have our 1/2 80 squared. 1/2 ng 80 natin, which is 3.20. 1/2 80 squared, 3.20 80. So 32.8 squared. So mali pala, no? Ito yung common mistake eh. Kasi ako nasanay akong minamata lang yung units, pero dapat din nyo muna gawin yan kung beginner pa lang kayo, no? So ang gagawin nyo, meters per second squared dito. Tapos kayo 32.8 seconds squared yan. So magiging squared to, no? So kung maka-cancel yan, cancel to. Ang matitira meters. So if we are going to put it, so 1/2 3.2 multiplied by 32.8. Our answer will be cancel tong second squared, cancel tong second squared kasi nasa denominator to, ito naman numerator to. So our answer will be 52.48. Pakita sulat ko, no? 0.48 meters. So that's final answer. Basic. So next natin. Car starts from rest and accelerates over time of 5.21 seconds for a distance of 110. Determine the acceleration of the car. From rest meaning galing pahinga. Pag pahinga 0, no? So nag-accelerate siya, tapos naka-travel siya ng 110 meters. So paano gawin 'yon? Pwede natin malaman yung anong hinahanap. Acceleration. A ang hinahanap, no? Acceleration. Determine the acceleration. Sulat muna natin yung given. Given natin is time is equal to 5.21 seconds. Distance is 110. VO is equal to 0. Tapos, determine, no? Determine the acceleration or ang required natin is the acceleration of the car. So, our solution or our formula, gamitin ulit natin yung kanina. Pwede naman yun eh. Yung, ano yun? Distance. Distance is equal to VOT plus 1/2 AT squared. Yan, pwede kasi na. So, kung magkakasolution tayo, our solution will be VOT, no? Distance 110 meters is equal to VOT, which is 0 multiplied by 5.21 seconds. Anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So, cancel yan. Plus 1/2 A, which is R hinahanap. Yung A yung hinahanap. Tapos T squared. So, that is 5.21 seconds. No? Squared. So, para gawin yan, pwede nating pwede nating i-divide yung dalawa. No? Pwede nating i-divide ng 5.21 squared. 5.21 squared. Para makancel to, cancel to. So, yan, no? Pwede nating makuha nun yun. So, mapapansin nyo, ito na yung unit ng ating acceleration. 110 divided by 5.21, no? So that will be 110 over 5.21 meters per second squared is equal to 1/2 A, diba? So kung 1/2 A yun, 21, no? So para makancel natin yan, kailangan natin i-multiply ng 2, no? Para makancel to. Multiply natin ng 2. Ito rin, kung multiply mo ng 2 yan, cancel to. Multiplied by 2. No? So, our acceleration is equal to 42.226. No? Pero, yun yung unit. Pwede rin simple method. Pwedeng gamitin yung calculator. Paano gawin yun? Ganito. Input mo lang. 110 is equal to 1/2. Tapos yung A, gawin mong X. Tapos T, 5.21 squared. No? Yan, lalabas dyan yung, 8.21. Okay. Ba't nagkaganon? 1/2, 80 squared. Ay. .110. Ba't nang kaganan? Kaya lang, i-analyze ko lang ano nangyari. So, 110 1/2 is 2. Nagkaganon. Yeah. 110 divided by 5.21. 21.113 answer divided by 2. Ito naman yun ang lalabas. Nagkaganon. 110 1/2 80. Gets ko na. Kasi hindi natin in-squared, no? Common mistake. Sorry. Ulitin natin. Hindi ko in-squared eh. Inano ko pala dun. Kaya pala. Ang kailangan gawin ganito. Sorry. My bad, no? Close. Ito dapat ang gagawin. 110 divided by 5.21 squared. Yan. 4 point. Ayan, no? 4 point pala. Sorry. 4. Ulitin natin. Doon sa muna. Hindi ko pala na-squared, no? Ang squared pala to. Kalimutan ko. Sorry. 110 over 5.21 squared. That is 4.052 is equal to 1/2 A So, para maalis yung 1/2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. So, cancel tong 2, cancel to. So, kung multiply by natin by 2, 4 times 2, answer times 2. Hindi. 4.052 times 2. That is 8.104, no? So, that's our A. So, if you want to check this, let us try to input it yung kanina. Diba? Kaya maganda ding, alam mo yung isa pang solution para na-double check mo, no? Hindi ko napansin yun. Pasensya na, no? X natin dito. Tapos gawin natin 5.21 squared, no? So, basically, same answer. Ginawa ko lang dito, finain for X ko lang, no? So, ayan. So, that is, 8.104. That is meter per second squared. Okay? So, next natin. Uptown Chuck is riding the giant drop at Great America. If Uptown free falls for 2.60 seconds, what is his final velocity and how far will he fall? Okay. So, sabi niya, si Uptown Chuck daw, sinakyan daw niya yung Great Fall. Nahulog daw siya for 2.60. Ano daw yung final velocity niya. So, kanina, meron tayong mga formulas for final velocity, no? Meron tayong 2AS, gano'n, no? Pwede yun. Actually, no? Maganda nga kung yun yung gagamitin natin. So, try natin. Yan yung 2AS na lang, V squared. So, our given is equal to time is equal to 2.6 seconds. Tapos, ano yung velocity, ano yung acceleration natin? So, na-discuss na natin yung acceleration natin kapag nauhulog is gravity. So, our acceleration is 9.81 meters per second squared. Okay? So, ano nang pwede natin iyan na dyan? Dalawa yung tinatanong. Yung una, what is his final velocity? Tapos yung isa, ang tinatanong niya is how far. So, gawin muna natin yung final velocity. So, ang final velocity natin, pwede natin gawin sa VO plus 80. Pwede yan. VF is equal to VO plus 80. Pwede yan, no? So, our solution, VF is equal to VO plus 80. So, VF is equal to 0 plus 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by time, which is 2.6 seconds. So, cancel second, cancel mo yung isa dito. Your VF will be 9.81 multiplied by 2.6. So, that will be 25.506 meters per second. So, next natin, punta tayo sa distance. So, distance, yung formula na lang kanina, no? Is equal to VOT plus 1/2 AT squared. So, distance equal to 0 multiplied by time, which is 2.6 seconds. Cancel yan kasi multiplied by 0 plus 1/2 ng acceleration, which is 9.81. Tapos time will be 2.6 squared. So, our answer will be 1/2 9.81 2.6 squared. So, our distance will be this is meters per second squared. This is second squared. Cancel yung second squared, cancel yung second squared. Meters na lang matitira. So, that will be 33.1578 meters. Okay, final answer. Okay. So, solve pa tayo. A car accelerates uniformly from 18.5 meters per second to 46.1 meter per second in 2.47 seconds. Determine the acceleration of the car and the distance traveled. Okay, lipat ko lang yung pwesto ko, no? May ngayong aso. Wait lang. Lipat lang tayo. Oh, wait. Pakaingay na ng aso eh. So, we're back na. Gawin mo natin yung naunang formula. Okay? So, the acceleration. So, meron tayong given, which is VO is equal to 18.5 meters per second. Our velocity final is equal to 46.1 meters per second. Our time is equal to 2.47 seconds. Determine the acceleration of the car and the distance traveled. So, ang hinahanap is dalawa. No? Ang hinahanap is dalawa. Muna is the acceleration. Tapos yung pangalawa is the distance traveled. Distance yan. So, our solution, gayahin ulit natin solution kanina. VF is equal to VO plus 80. Diba? Yung ano, VO plus 80. So, if we're going to do that, no, ang next natin na ilalagay is VF is equal to VO natin, which is, ang anong nanap, acceleration pala, no? So, yun. Yeah, okay lang yan. Para magamit na din natin. Okay lang yan. So, our VF is equal to 46.1 is equal to 18.5 plus A multiplied by time, which is 2.47. So, our unit is, huwag natin kakalimutan, meters per second. This is seconds. So, plus yan. Ang gawin natin is i-minus natin from both sides, no? So, we have 46.1 minus natin ng 18.5. So, ang matitira dyan is what? Minus lang natin to ng minus 18.5. Yan. I-add natin ng negative 18.5. Tapos yun din sa kabila. Parang transpose ko lang. So, ang mangyayari 46.1 minus 18.5, that is 27.6 meters per second is equal to A, that's 2.47 seconds. So, divide natin ng 2.47 seconds, 2.47 seconds. Cancel yung seconds dito, cancel dito yung seconds. So, that will be 27.6 all over 2.47 divided by 2.47. That will be 11.174. Ano to? Acceleration, no? Tama ba? Acceleration to, di ba? Hinanap natin. Ay, hindi pala cancel to. Unit analysis mali, no? Kamali ako doon. Meters per second. Kasi ito seconds. Bakit? Kasi kapag nilipat mo dyan, ang mangyayari dyan is S yan, di ba? Sa taas. Magiging 1 over S. So, kung magiging 1 over S, meters per second, squared na yan. Kasi dalawa na. SS squared, no? So, 1.174 meters per second squared. So, ito, cancel na to. A na lang matitira dito. A is equal to A. So, 11.174. Yan. Okay. So, doon tayo sa pangalawa. Which is ang inahanap natin is D. No? So, pwede naman yung distance equal to VOT plus 80 squared. 1/2 80 squared. Pwede yan, no? So, gawin natin. D is equal to initial natin, which is 18.5 multiplied by 2.47 plus 1/2 natin is 1/2 yung A na nakuha natin 11.174. Plus time natin is 2.47. Hindi ko na pala ma-typean to. May nakaharang. 2.47. Okay. So, input natin sa calculator. 18.5 multiplied by 2.47 plus 1 half. Yung A natin is 11.174. Time natin is 2.47 squared. So, our answer will be distance is equal to 79.78. No? So, 70 meters. Okay? So, those two. No? Yan. Pwede kasi yun. Problem. Dalawang tinatanong. No? So, next one. Sagot pa tayo. A feather is dropped on the moon from a height of wait lang, no? May nagpapa-excuse na estudyante. Nangyari. Okay. Okay. Sige, balik tayo. A feather is dropped on the moon. So, nahulog yung feather sa moon. Height of 1.40 meters. The acceleration of the gravity is 1.67. Determine the time for the feather to fall on the surface of the moon. So, meaning, nahulog daw yung feather at a height of 1.4. Tapos, acceleration is 1.67. So, mabagal yung acceleration kasi nga moon yan. Mahina yung gravity, no? So, that will be given. The time. Okay, time ang inaanap. So, meron tayong, distance equal to 1.4. Tapos, yung ating acceleration is equal to 1.67. Determine the time ang hinahanap, no? So, gamit tayo ng simple formula ulit, no? Yung required natin. So, kung hinahanap natin is time, gamit tayo yung paborito kong formula. Distance equal to VOT plus 1 half AT squared. So, distance. Ang distance is 1.4 VO 0 multiplied by time. No? So, cancel yan, no? Plus 1 half A, which is 1.67 T squared. No? Yan. So, pwede na natin gawin. 1.4. This is meters, no? Meters per second squared. So, natin. Transpose na lang natin. Pwede naman. Okay. So, ang gawin natin is i-multiply natin or i-divide natin sila ng 1 half 80 squared. No? So, paano ba yan? Paano ba gagawin yan? Ang pwede mong gawin dyan is alisin mo tong 1.67 tsaka yung 1 half, no? Pwede naman kasi yan. Okay. So, tatandaan natin, no? Yung ginagawa usually is what? Pina-follow natin ang PEMDAS. Okay. So, ano gagawin yan? Ano mo? 1 half 1.67. Yan. Para matitira dun yung T squared na lang. 1 half 1.67. Yan. So, 1.4 multiplied by 1 half ng 1.67. So, our time 1.67. 1 half 67. Yan. No. Squared yan. Di square root natin. 1.67. So, our time will be 1.292. Okay. So, kung ganun, pwede natin i-double check, no? Kung ganun ginagawa ko lagi. So, 1.4 is equal to 1 half A, which is 1.67 by time squared. O, 1.292. 1.29. Okay na yan. So, yun yung ating no. So, kung unit analysis mo yan, meters per second squared. This is meters, cancel tong meters, second squared. Ang ginawa natin is, in square root natin to. So, this is second squared. Alis ang square root, alis yan. So, that will be seconds na lang matitira. Okay, so tama. Okay, so nakapag-solve na tayo ng 5. No? Ilan ba to? 14. Okay, subukan natin solve tayong 6 siguro, no? Pagkatas ng 6, yung iba pa-quiz natin, no? Kunin natin dito para makita natin sino yung mga nagsosolve sa bahay. Total wala pa tayong quiz na puro computation, no? So, try natin. Ito muna 6. Rocket-powered sled are used to test humans' response to acceleration. If a rocket-powered sled is accelerated speed of 444 meters per second in 1.83 seconds, then what is the acceleration and what is the distance? So, ano daw rocket-powered sled? Bilis nito, no? Rocket-powered eh. So, yung given natin, meron tayong VF na 444 meters per second. Napunta siyang ganun kabilis in 1.83, no? Bilis. Seconds. What is the acceleration and what is the distance? So, ang required natin is acceleration tsaka yung distance. So, paano ba gagawin yan? No? Given required solution natin. Ano ba yung favorite ko? Mga favorite kong solution. VF is equal to VO plus 80. Yan, no? Gaya nung kanina, no? VO plus 80 lang. Kasi from stop lang kasi siya eh. So, 0 to. VF is equal to... Dito natin. Yung VF natin. Ano ba yung VF natin? VF is 444 is equal to 0 plus 80. A multiplied by T 1.83 seconds. This is BF meters per second. So, para maalis yan, edi 1.83 seconds. Kasi ito, 1.83 seconds. Cancel. Hindi siya makakancel, no? Seconds, 1.1 by 1 yan. Pag ni-reverse mo yan, magiging 1 over S. So, seconds, magiging meters per second squared. Okay? So, I have 444. Wait lang. 444 divided by 1.83. So that will be 242.622. This is meters per second squared. So that will be our acceleration. Cancel to. Okay. So we'll already have our acceleration. Punta tayo sa distance, no? So, our distance, D is equal to VOT plus 1/2 AT squared. Sir, bakit ulit-ulit yung ginagamit yung formula? Ulit-ulit yung mga tanong eh. Huwag kayo mahiyang ulit-ulitin yung formula. Basta nakukuha niyo yung tamang sagot. Okay? Distance is equal to 0 multiplied by T plus 1/2 A2 42.622 T, which is 1.83 seconds. So, direct na natin. 242.622 1.83 squared. So, our distance is equal to 406.258, no? Meron tayong 406.258 na meters of distance. So, final answer, no? So, ayan yung mga iba pa nating bike. So, meron tayong engineer. Meron tayong number 9. Scroll natin, no? Para makita nyo. Kasi possible na isa sa mga ito yung lalabas sa quiz. 10, 11, 12, 13, tapos 14. Yun, no? So, yan. Possible na lumabas ako yan, no? So, see you all sa mag-face to face. Sana matapos na yung ulan, no? Keep safe lagi. Lalo na, napaka-ulan. Tapos, huwag kayong mabilis magmaneho. Tapos, ingat kayo sa mga biyahe ninyo. Tsaka, sana maging komportable kayo sa mga bahay ninyo kung wala kayong kailangan gawin sa labas. Kung na kayong lumabas, no? So, ingat-ingat. And let's pray for everyone's safety. So, yun lang. God bless you all.